Hey guys, Tony here, and we've got a brand new tool, and it's called the Easy Custom GPT Builder. This tool is going to help anybody, regardless of knowledge or experience of building custom GPTs, to be able to deploy them in literally less than 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do a demo on that, but I'm giving you as well this Google Doc here that's got 125 ideas for marketing custom GPTs. And you can see everything in here is just bullet points. Okay, this is just bullet points because that's all we need. We just need to tell the custom GPT what we want it to do. Okay, so this one here is to create a value bomb Twitter thread giveaway. Okay, so on Twitter, for example, people give away things like free reports, case studies, all kinds of different things. What we want to do is give away tools, simple, little, profitable AI tools, okay? So I just copied this, and all I need to do is go over into the Chrome extension. And when I open the Chrome extension, I can simply remove anything that was there before, put this in that I've taken from the Google Doc, okay? And I can put in a call to action text and also a call to action link. And also, you can see that we've got an advanced version here, which has got the ability to take from the product page or from a YouTube video. That's in the next upsell, okay? That version is in the next upsell. I've got the full version installed here, so you can work with the bullet point, which is actually very, very good, okay? I've built a lot of custom GPTs using this version, okay? So all I need to do is click on Custom GPT with bullet points, and I can open this up. And it puts the bullet points into a custom instructions generator, okay? And this is going to create the custom instructions needed to build the custom GPT. Now, when this is finished, it's going to auto redirect, okay? And it auto redirects into the custom GPT builder inside ChatGPT on the configuration page. All we have to do here is take the suggested name. We can copy that. We can put it into the name here. Description. I'm just going to take from where it says designed. And I'll take part of that where it makes sense. Add this in here. Okay, I'll click on the icon builder here. I'll use DALL-E because it happens automatically. Okay. Conversation status, I'll just put in here, get started. Okay, and I'm going to put in as well some extra text I've got here on my other screen. It just says when the user clicks on get started, tell them what you can do and what you need to get started. Okay, I'll click on all of these capabilities down here. Now, if you want to take it further, what you can do is you can upload files as well. So if you've got some PDFs or something that's related to that particular strategy that you want to achieve, then you can upload here so you got a better output, okay? I'll click on get started here. And so it tells me what it can do. And it tells me what I need to give it, okay? So what is your niche? What is the resource you're giving away? Checklist, the ebook, Notion template. Well, in our case, or anybody who's building these custom GPTs, the best thing for us to do is to give away these custom GPTs. And the best thing to do with this is to do it on multiple platforms, but I'm going to focus on Twitter for this, okay? Now, if you do pick this up, I'm going to give you access to training where I will run a webinar on running giveaways on Twitter for the purpose of list building, okay? And also I'm going to give you a trial version with full features to use 3 viral content pilot links, okay? Those are links that you can create that basically redirects anybody to an access page, which is perfect for this strategy. So if you want to get into this kind of strategy where you can be building a following on Twitter at the same time you can be building an email list, because when we give something away, we tell people they have to comment and they have to like the tweet or the post on Twitter. And when they do, we can interact with them and send them the access link. Okay. When we do that, we use a viral content pilot link. And then what we do is we get them onto an email list, and then we can simply nurture them with an autoresponder sequence. And I will teach that sequence for you as well, how to turn cold leads into buyers in 4 simple email autoresponder messages. Okay. So all very quick, all very easy to do. And all we have to do here is click on create when we're ready to create the custom GPT, and click on save. And now this has been created. Now you can test it when it's in the preview here. That's entirely up to you. I usually will do that, but we have got a really good custom GPT built in what would have been less than 2 minutes if I was not talking. Okay. Now I've done some brilliant custom GPTs. I mean, really high quality ones. I did a YouTube placement finder one, for example, very quick, very easy, 2 minutes. And there are tools that are charging like $67 a month to find YouTube placement opportunities for you. You know, that's the kind of stuff we can do with custom GPTs. You can save a ton of money. You can have a look at the tools that you are paying for and figure out if any of them would be suitable for a custom GPT. Just write down the bullet points of what you want it to do. Then you can come into the Easy Custom GPT Builder, put in the bullet points of what you want it to do, click on Custom GPT with bullet points, and then it's going to open up the custom instructions GPT in the background. That's going to create these custom instructions exactly the way it needs to be to create a high quality custom GPT. When that is finished, it's writing, when it's finished, the custom instructions, a new window opens or a new tab opens automatically. Okay. And it pre-fills that configuration page in the ChatGPT Custom GPT Builder. All you have to do is add your title, add description, make all the abilities checkboxed, generate a logo with the DALL-E, and you can click on create, and that's it. 2 minutes work. Okay. If you want to get that kind of advantage, you want to grab this today because I'm selling it really bargain price on this front end. Okay. Now there is an upsell, which is going to give you the ability to create custom GPTs with the bullet points and sales pages or article pages or blog posts, etc. You just put in the URL. Whether it's a sales page, you can still use the bullet points, which will guide the GPT the way you want it to be. And also with YouTube videos. Now I've created some brilliant custom GPTs from YouTube videos. And if you purchase this, that's going to take you to the next page, the upsell for the pro version, and you will see some examples in the demo video for that sales page, and you will see just how powerful that is. But even this, with just the bullet points on this front end offer, is phenomenal. You can see that we can build custom GPTs in less than 2 minutes, regardless of your knowledge or experience. All you have to do is have some ideas, and if you're stuck for ideas, I've got a library of 125 marketing based custom GPTs that you can just simply copy and paste this, or you can tweak it and take it further and then copy and paste it. Okay. All you have to do is click on file, make a copy, and it's yours. Okay. And that is ready for you to create all those custom GPTs in a matter of 2 minutes. Imagine having a whole asset of lead magnets that you can create in 2 minutes, but high quality, really high quality lead magnets that you can create in 2 minutes. Okay. Really powerful stuff. Now I will put in a set of custom GPTs that I have built. In fact, I'll put in the YouTube placements custom GPT because it's actually very good. And I'll put in a few others as a bundle, as a bonus for this front end offer if you pick it up. Okay, thanks.